Did I need a new backpack? Absolutely not. Did I want a new backpack? Hell yes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all the things that I bought on my New Orleans trip. It's like a little travel haul. So I have everything lined up on the bed here. I'm going to go through each of them individually to give you a better look at what I bought. So I went with my boyfriend to New Orleans like late October into the first week of November. And some of these things I bought while I was in New Orleans, and some of the things I bought in New Orleans, but I bought it off of Amazon. So I kind of included that in there because it was still things that I bought during my trip. Obviously, for some of these things, I couldn't take it on the plane with me, so I had to ship it back home. But this is the first thing I am going to show you. I got its little New Orleans snow globe. Isn't it so cute? Like, look at that. I love it. It has all of the gold and the green, like it's Mardi Gras and whatnot. So if you haven't checked out my little travel collection, it is on my blog. I will link to that down below. But I'm going to add this to my collection with my other snow globes that I have accumulated from my travels. The second thing that I bought is this Coach bag. Of course, like if you're going to watch my channel for a while, you're going to know very quickly that I have a thing when I travel about buying these a little bit more expensive, more luxurious types of things. Like I'm a big fan of Coach, so I mean this was on sale. My boyfriend got it for me as like a little present, so you know, it wasn't really that bad. It wasn't like full price or anything like that, but still I saw this and it was just it's beautiful. It has like a cute gold chain. There's more on the inside, but so see, inside is like this really cool maroon type of color, and the material feels like it's suede, but it's very nice. So this is the inside, and here is the rest of the chain. It's a crossbody bag. I absolutely love crossbody bags. I feel like they're just so easy and convenient to travel with. So the next thing that I got is this cute little Kate Spade card holder. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's more on the back, and there's enough room in here for like a couple of bills and whatnot. So in New Orleans, along the water, there's this little like kind of, I don't want to say like an outlet, but like a little tiny mall called Riverfront. I saw this and this was on sale, so I ended up paying about $20 for this overall. And I have been on the hunt for like a little card holder like this for the longest time, because there are other card holders, but they only have like 2 card holders, and I'm like, that's not enough. Like if I'm going out, if I'm traveling, but I don't want to bring like a bulkier wallet, like I want something that can hold a decent amount of cards, not only like my credit cards and debit cards, but also like my driver's license, you know, insurance cards, you know, things like that. So I found this one. I love the color. It is super duper cute, and I know I'm going to be using it a lot on my travels. So really happy with this. We are going to get into the things that I bought off of Amazon. Now, let me see. I'll start with the smallest thing, then work my way up. I'll save that for last. So, this is a little laundry bag that I got off of Amazon. I will link all the things that I bought off of Amazon down below. But I figure when I am traveling, you know, you take off your dirty clothes. Where do you put them? You know, like I don't like mixing my clean clothes with my dirty clothes, so sometimes I just put them on the bottom of my bag, and I figure I'm like, there's gotta be like another way. I can use like a little plastic bag and whatnot, but I don't want something like that. I want something that is reusable, that I can wash and whatnot. So I went on Amazon and I got this. It's a little laundry bag. So let me show you. It zips up. It zips open like this. The laundry bag is inside. The cool thing is that it opens up and then this little section here gets kind of inverted like that. And then there's another zipper on the outside where you can zip this up. If you're using this, you could put like the little pods in here for doing your laundry, or if you're going to like a laundromat, you could put like your coins in here if you so choose to do so. You know, laundry sheets. You can also use this as like a little pocket for things that you need when you're going to do laundry. But it zips up like that. Duh, look at that. Isn't that so cute? And when it is actually folded up, it doesn't take up that much room, like at all. Like you saw this tiny little square thing. So I figured this is going to be super duper useful. So the next thing I got is this bag smart little wire or like cable case. Now, it wasn't a huge problem before when I just had like my cell phone and like my Fitbit, but not only do I have those, I have my Apple Watch now, and now that I am a travel vlogger as well, I have my camera, I have, you know, all the little wires, the chargers, you know, I bring my iPad along with me now. So I just have so many, you know, cables and like little outlet, like little docks, I think that's what you call them, to take with me now. And I know that putting them in like a little plastic baggie every single time isn't the most efficient way of keeping them organized. So I figured, let me go on Amazon and find like an actual case to keep everything organized and in one place. So you open it up, and here is what the inside looks like. As you can see, there are like these little bungee things right here where you can slide the cords and whatnot into there. And since I am a travel vlogger now, this is super duper convenient because it has like the little SD card slots that you can use for your cameras. So I thought that was really, really cool. There's also like a little zip compartment right here where you can put extra things in there if you want. I think this can also hold like a little iPad, like a small enough tablet or iPad or anything like that, or even like a little notebook or whatnot. You can put it in there. Next, we have these compression cubes from Eagle Creek. And if you've seen in my last video, which I will link it here, I took the other compression cubes that I have, and as always, I will link that down below so you can check that out. However, they are bigger in size, and if you watched the video where it showed me packing up and rolling up my clothes and using those cubes, they are a bit thicker. They're still thin, but I figure for certain situations, the sizes that I have are a little too big. Really, really thin. I don't want to say like they feel cheap, but the material is just not what I'm used to from my other packing cubes. But I recently discovered this YouTuber. She's called Packing Bananas. That's the name of her YouTube channel. I'll link it down below if you would like to check her out. I discovered her through another YouTuber that I watched, Leah Hatzakis. She's a UK vlogger and whatnot. But backpacking bananas, excuse me. She's a travel vlogger, and I saw that she used these compression cubes from Eagle Creek, so I figured let me give them a try. The designs are cute, but I really love how it came with these smaller compression cubes, which I figure, you know, if I really just want to be more precise with my packing, so instead of taking like one big cube and trying to pack my leggings or pants, my underwear, you know, my shirts, my bras, you know, swimwear, I can use these smaller but thinner compression cubes to really organize it. Last but not least, I have my Eagle Creek backpack. Now, did I need a new backpack? Absolutely not. Did I want a new backpack? Hell yes. Got like an Eagle Creek bag. This is a 40-liter one, so you can't use it as a carry-on. So you can just put it on your back and go into the plane with it, which I absolutely love. And that's not even like the best part about this backpack. I'll show you that in a little while, but I'm going to start with the outside and then work my way to the inside. So I will start with this bottom section here. So it unzippers like so. It's hard to do with one hand. I think this is meant to be like a little shoe compartment. You could put your shoes in there or whatever else you need to fit in there. And it's really, really like deep. Like if you can see like my arm, you can see how deep this goes. So you have a lot of room. Have these little side zippers like that. You can put some things in there, maybe like first aid stuff like band-aids or anything like that, pens, you know, things that you need to access immediately without going into your backpack. So that's really, really cool. There's also this little mesh area here. You want to put like a raincoat in there or an umbrella, something like that. It's very spacious. It goes deep down. And as you can also see up here, right here, there's this compartment as well. And again, it's not really that deep, but you can fit maybe like a few chargers in there, something like that. And then of course on the sides you have little mesh compartments or, you know, water bottles, whatever it is that you want to put in there. And there are tons and tons and tons of straps on here, but they actually serve a purpose. They're very functional. I will show you why in a little bit. If you look on the back here, so it is one of those backpacks where it goes over your shoulders and you can clip it around your waist. And on this side here, it has like a little teeny tiny, well, it's not even teeny tiny, it's like a little pocket here where if it's on your waist like this, on your stomach, and you need to get, you know, something like a little card or whatever it is, you can easily get it without unstrapping and taking everything off. There are straps where you could easily adjust the grip and the length of the strap, of course. And this particular type of backpack, I don't think I mentioned it. It's the Eagle Creek 40-liter women's companion backpack. I'll link it down below with the exact name if I didn't get that right. But this is in the color Concord. There's like a black one, I think like a teal looking one as well, but I chose this because I love this color. It's like a maroon type of color and I really like that. There are straps up here where when it's on your shoulder you can pull them, and this top part will kind of lean more forward into your back, so that way not all of the weight of the backpack is just hanging off your back. It's closer to you, so that way it's not going to hurt your back. This top one, this first one, okay, there is this huge zipper. It velcros on the bottom, so just unvelcro that. And this is like my favorite feature of the backpack. This is when I was watching Christiane on Backpacking Bananas. I was just like, oh my god, I have to have that backpack. I thought it was such a cool thing, and I figured it would make my life traveling a whole lot easier. So, you guys ready? I don't think you're ready for it, but here we go. Look at that. So there are two compartments here. It opens up like a suitcase. This top part is a mesh top. It unzippers like that. And this is like the deeper compartment, as you can see. So it does quite fit things a little bit deeper, and this is also like the laptop sleeve. If you open up this second zipper right here, it opens up to the laptop sleeve. So you could fit, I think it's like a 17-inch laptop or something like that. It's like a 17-inch sleeve. It's a very, very deep sleeve. So if you have a bigger laptop, no worries, it will fit in here. Trust me, it will. Then here is the other one. It's not quite as deep as the other one, but I figured this will be so convenient for any travel. It doesn't matter if you are solo backpacking, you're, you know, just conveniently going away for a few days or whatnot. This gives you like all the benefits of a suitcase where it opens up completely and you can lay your clothes inside in a very organized fashion without being a suitcase. Isn't that awesome? If it's a really big bulky piece after you've packed everything, there are little straps right here on the side, and that way it keeps it compressed, so you can make it as small as possible. Still fits within the carry-on requirements for, I'd say, most, if not all airlines, but you can double check the specifications with your specific airline. The thing about it is that it looks pretty big, and I am not a very big person. I'm about 5 feet tall. Like, this is probably gonna be a little bulky, a little too big. I'm probably gonna look like one of those little like 4 or 5-year-olds with like a huge backpack on them that's like twice the size of their bodies. But when I tried it on the other day, it actually fit very nicely around me. Like, I was really, really surprised. And as you can see, it goes on like that. I am going to clip it like that and clip it like that. See, but it fits around me beautifully. Like, it is super duper comfy, and see, like I said, 5-foot person, okay? I am not exactly that tall. My torso isn't exactly the greatest, but the way this fits over my shoulders, it's super duper comfy. Like I said, this is like the women's companion backpack. It's meant to fit the stature of women. I think it looks very nice on me, at least. Yeah, here it is. And here is the back. See, these are the straps that you can pull. So that is it for my travel haul from New Orleans. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive updates on when I upload videos. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you next time. See you guys!